Hey guys, I just got ready. I've got my outfit, but I'll show you that later when I'm out and about. I just need to put my lipstick. Basically, I'm actually going to an event, as you can tell from the title. Oh my god, this is going to be my first event which brand has invited me. I'm really excited about going to this event, and I'm going to take my cousin with me so that we can have some good time together. So the brand who has invited me for this event is Mejuri. Basically, they have got pop-up shop in London, and today is only invite for bloggers slash influencer. So I'm really pleased to be going there. Thank you so much to Mejuri for inviting me. I actually collaborated with them a few months ago. I think it was last month, where I got this golden hoops. I thought I would vlog from the very start of the day, but I got so busy with looking after kids and doing house chores, I didn't get time to film video. Hence the reason I'm starting this vlog now when it's like almost 3 p.m. I need to go to this event from 5 to 8. I booked for the evening because my sister, she works full-time, so she only gets her time off at 5, but she's leaving early at 4 today. I'm really happy to be working with so many amazing brands at the moment. I know I don't have a lot of followers. I have probably 9,000 on Instagram and here around 11k. In comparison to other like influencer, I have actually less followers, but it's good that even though I have less followers, the brand has noticed my content and they got in touch with me and they are happy to, you know, work with me. And I'm really grateful that they got in touch with me and I've managed to collaborate with them basically. So yeah, it's quite sunny day today, not bad. It's a little bit chilly, but not bad. But anyway, I'm going to actually take another blazer as well on top, and now it's gonna look after our kids. I'm all relaxed about going out. I can't wait. I'm gonna have good time with my cousin. We are going to have dinner afterwards in the Ivy, so really excited for dinner. I love food and I'm a big foodie. I love trying out new food, and yeah, so I'll try to vlog a little bit today. Hopefully you guys will enjoy this vlog, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye.
Did you have fun?
Yeah, lots of fun. Another one? Yeah, this one is far more better.
Thank you so much.
We just finished the event and I'm here with my sister. How was the event?
Hello, we had so much fun.
We were there for 1.5 hours.
Exactly. And well, actually, I didn't expect it to be that good, but it was a small area, small space, but we absolutely had fun. We did chat with a few of the people, and we managed to get something for ourselves. One is for ourselves, so we had fun.
Yeah, it was really fun evening. I was actually not expecting to be that good, but I think it's your company that made it like so much more better.
Ooh, I know, my company is always good.
Yeah,
and we got free tote bags. And who doesn't love tote bags? Actually, I love tote bags.
Fan of tote bags. I love tote bags.
It can go with everything.
Yeah. Also, like another thing, not just that, because we have become like more like environmental awareness,
friendly and awareness.
So we don't use plastic bag. I love carrying
Yeah,
this
me
sort
too.
of tote
I love
bags.
it, and I always have a tote bag inside my another bag,
Yeah,
so that I
yeah.
can, whenever I go shopping, I always carry it, and I never get plastic bag. I don't know. I think I don't want to pay 10 pence or 20 pence. I don't
No,
know.
not just that. I think as you get older, you think about environment.
Maybe,
In our
yeah,
20s, we
definitely.
didn't used to care
Yeah, we
about
just
it.
used to get like
But
bag.
now we do.
Yeah,
So yeah,
same.
we had a fun day. Now we're going for dinner to the Ivy. We have booked a table there.
Yeah, we did.
So
Like the
we'll
city
vlog a
book,
little
yeah.
bit. That's it. And I hope you're enjoying vlog.
And the
Please
weather is so
subscribe.
good today.
Yeah.
We didn't expect it to be that good because obviously in London it's raining and windy,
Yeah.
and today it's so good.
We got really
Yeah.
lucky with the weather actually.
Yeah, exactly.
She's so good with that talking bit. I'm not like that great,
No,
but
I
thank
just
you
try.
so much. Yeah. So see you in a bit. Bye.
Bye.
This is my outfit for today. So I'm wearing Lee's big sunglasses, H&M blazer, Zara bag, H&M linen trousers, and Zara, loafers. So
Yeah.
basically, I'm
She has gone all black.
today.
Lady in a black,
Outfit for today.
dressed to kill. Yeah, it's good to wear black.
Thank you.
There we go. Bye.
Here we are. We stopped for actually dessert before dinner, which is not normal. So that is London, and we're just outside. It's a nice weather, warm weather. And here is our chocolate cake, and this one is the caramel one. Oh my god, it looks so yum. Got our water as well here. So
Which we got from Mejuri.
Mejuri, yeah. So yeah, here is the London taxi there. Such a nice weather today. She's just taking some pictures for Instagram. We're having so much fun, and then afterwards we will go for our dinner. There we go. How is the food? Good?
It's amazing.
Yum.
All in steam.
We've never had this
Yeah, I've
one.
never had it before.
This one is so good. Look
Caramel.
at
That's its
Oh my
caramel.
God,
I don't
look
know.
at
I
that.
forgot the name.
this. It's really creamy inside. It's solid like rock hard outside, and then inside it's so creamy. We're loving
With so
this
much
one a
cream.
lot. This
With
one is
cream.
like a regular cake.
Chocolate
It's
cake.
nice, but I think this one is better. Much better. We are in Ivy, and look at the toilets. Oh my god, this is so gorgeous. I had to take a video. Honestly, this is so gorgeous. Look at the wallpaper. And there I am. Hi guys. Then that's the basin there. And guess what? That's the toilets here. Pink door. There you go, with mirrors. You can see me here as well. Look at the ceiling, full of roses. Just beautiful, and it smells divine. It smells like roses actually. Wow, gorgeous. everyone, it's next day and I'm back from event. I just thought I will sit down and chat with you at the end of this vlog. So basically we had a really good day. It was like amazing. The event was like really good, as you saw on the vlog. We had so much fun. We stayed there for 1.5 hours, almost like 2 hours, which was great. We were provided like champagne, as well as we got the chance to see all the jewelry. We were also able to try them. So basically once we tried the jewelry, they would sanitize it for another person to use it before they put it back. We were also given floral arrangement, which was really great. They had like a little floral area where we could go and they would just arrange like dried flowers for us, which was great. And guess what I've done? Let me show you. I actually popped my flowers given by Mejuri on this vase here. I'll show you. Let me grab this. I've got my candle as well here. Can you guys see? I just thought I'll make like a nice atmosphere. I absolutely love this candle. The most beautiful vase I own. I absolutely love this one. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you guys know like this vase has been with me for nearly 2 years now. The reason I love this one is because it's only like half face. It looks very interesting. So basically these are the flowers given to me by Mejuri. Can you guys see this green one? I don't know the name of this flowers, unfortunately. It's this one. Let me take out. Got another one here, another one here. Here you go. So that is the floral arrangement they gave us. It is so beautiful. I decided to pop this on here, which I think goes really well with this yellow dried flowers. And if you can see, it has got like red as well. I absolutely love dried flowers. I'm not really into fake ones. I would rather have like dried flowers. If you guys are interested, then I will link this vase down below. Everything I show on my vlog or talk on my vlog, everything is linked down below as usual. Let me put this back and then we will chat about the event again. Okay, so I just popped that vase back to where it belongs. It smells amazing right now because of the candle. Absolutely love candles, you guys know that. So anyway, I want to talk about the event. It was really good. There were lots of people, very busy at the time we went, because we went in the evening like around 6, so everybody had came during that time. It was like really lovely atmosphere and I would love to go there again. I'm so glad like I managed to work with Mejuri because I have always wanted to work with them. It's such a good opportunity for me. Even though I don't have a lot of followers, I managed to, you know, collab with few brands, and there are other brands I'm working with very soon. So let me show you what I bought from Mejuri, because you guys saw on the vlog like I bought little something. Like me and my cousin, we bought the same thing. So let me grab it and show you. Here is the Mejuri bag which they gave us, and inside I've got this, which is a dust bag. I really like the fact their jewelry comes in a dust bag. It's so easy to pop in here and then you know, put this away basically. So let me open this. Here we go. If you guys are on my Instagram, then you already know what I bought. Here is the... Oh no, it is the different one, sorry. This one is the one actually Mejuri gifted to me for attending the event. Let me show you. I've got another one which I bought. I'll show you that in a minute. I thought I had this, you know, the one I bought myself here, but it's not. So this one is the one they gifted. So let me show you. So this is the beautiful opal jewelry. It is so beautiful. Look at that. You guys know like I really like this type of chain. This is like a layered one. You can see there's like 2 chains, and then that is the opal stone. This is so gorgeous. Look at that, just beautiful. I'm gonna do like a close-up shot for you guys, and I can wear this like every day. So thank you to Mejuri for gifting me this one. They had actually quite a few choices, but I went with this one. The next one is the one I actually bought from my own money. It's not gifted by Mejuri. Let me show you. And this is the one me and my cousin bought the same jewelry. So it has got dust bag again and comes in a box, which is nice to keep them safe. So that is the box, and here is the jewelry. Let me show you. Ta-da! So that is the pearl earrings. You can see I really like the shape of it. I really like how it's not like too big. You guys know like I don't like wearing too big earrings. I prefer smaller ones because it goes with a lot of outfit. I feel like especially this one will go with a lot of outfits, even with jeans and dresses. even with my traditional saris, kurta, etc. So the reason we picked up this one is also the fact that because it was my first event and I've taken my cousin, so we wanted to buy it as a souvenir so that we can remember in coming days, oh, this is the jewelry we bought when we went for my first event. And she actually liked this one as well, so we picked up the same one, both of us. Our style is quite similar, our taste in fashion jewelry is quite similar, which is really nice. I will always remember this first event I went. I've been to like London Fashion Week, etc., but this is the first time like the brand has invited me for the event. Oh my god, I forgot to show you guys something. Let me go and grab it. This is what I do. I've got like mom brain at the moment. I keep forgetting things, so let me grab it. Also, just to let you know, it is a jewelry again. Okay, here we go. I was meant to show you this one, but I completely forgot. Luckily, I just remembered, which is good. Otherwise, I would have to show you in another vlog. So basically, I am working with another brand which is called Diamoda jewelry. They have sent me this little package which is beautiful. Look at that. The best thing is like it comes with this cute ribbon. So I'm going to unbox it and show you what's inside here. Here we go. I can't wait to show you what's inside. Any guesses before I open this jewelry box? I've not revealed this one yet, so you guys can guess before I open it. Here we go. So it has got this leaflet inside, and let's have a look. Okay, so they have like a silver polishing cloth, and then there's a little leaflet here. Let me show you. There we go. So little leaflet to say like how to take care of your jewelry. Let me put this away and then show you the actual jewelry. I hope you guys are excited as much as I am. So here is the jewelry inside box. So let me take this out and show you what's inside. And then here is the jewelry. It is a ring. I went for this one. They gave me a selection of jewelry, but I wanted to get this one. So basically this is a ring which is a sterling silver, and the stone is Diamoda stone. The color of stone is diamond white. So gorgeous. I'm so glad I went for the ring. It is actually engagement ring. I really like engagement rings because they are beautiful, and I find like the wedding rings are very plain here. Thank you to Diamoda for this collaboration, and I hope I get to work with a lot of different brands in the future. So that is it for this week. I didn't include any other vlogs because I just wanted to dedicate this whole video on Mejuri event as well as Diamoda jewelry collab. Hence the reason I didn't include any other like my weekly footage with my kids or anything extra here. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and thank you so much to everybody who were happy for me to know that I'm doing well in terms of collaboration. A lot of you actually got in touch with me and congratulated me for attending Mejuri event, which I didn't reveal beforehand on my Instagram. I actually only revealed on the day I went there. Thank you so much to everybody who took time to write to me. The weather has been like a little bit on and off. Sun is in and out, as you can see on this vlog. I'm not using any lights and filming in natural lighting, which I like to do especially for the vlogs. So yeah, it has been getting a little bit chilly, and keep yourself warm, stay safe, and if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'd love to have you here, and I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Till then, take care. Bye guys, see you soon.